Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, a lot of students have started getting the Accenture email from Accenture's end regarding Accenture profile creation and document upload. So yes, this is more or less the selection email only, wherein after selection email only you get this kind of email wherein you have to upload all your documents. So let's discuss in details. This email has got a lot of people got this kind of email approximately by 2:30 p.m. today itself. So yes, do check out your spam folders as well. If you haven't got the email yet, do check out, wait for it, because in another few days also you can expect the email. Also it has been observed in the past hiring phase also that Accenture initially sends the rejection email, but yes, very few candidates got this after a selection email after the rejection as well. So let's discuss in details what is all about, what is the next step in details. So yeah, this kind of profile you got it. So you can see that it is like the next step in your recruitment with journey with Accenture. Please log into your profile for the documents upload. You have to upload this document in submit all the documents within next 2 days after receiving the notification. So you have 2 days in total. You have got the username and password and URL for the portal. You have to upload your documents. Now you will get your LOI. Just in case there are various tasks which you need to complete. I have already created videos on those. I'll give a link in the description box. You can check in details, or I will create another video as well, the updated ones. So yes, after this, accepting of the LOI, that can be of AST role or an FSC role also. So yeah, you can check out that. Yes, for the LOA, which is letter of authorization, you have to sign in. The online, which is e-sign, you have to do. I have again created how to upload that. I will again put the link in the description box. So make sure that you upload all your documents clearly and on time. So people who haven't received any such email should wait. I would suggest that they should wait. Why? Because there is definitely a possibility that you will be getting the emails, because they are in a process of sending. Because last a few days, a few people got revert that Accenture would send in a while. Few got that they will send in month end. So yes, wait for it. They are surely sending, because there are going to be a lot of candidates who are going to be selected. So yeah, all the best guys. Make sure if you have any doubts or queries, let me know in the comment section or message me on Instagram. I am very much available there. In case you have any doubt or query, comment me as well. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for the latest updates. I am going to put updates for Accenture next steps as well. Like the next step is the documentation upload. I know that you are going to face few challenges while uploading documents or queries. So yeah, I will clear all your doubts. Let me know in the comment section if you need any sort of help. Till then guys, have a great day and all the best, and congratulations again for the people who got this email.